The TMR keyboard. Hello, it's me, your boy, and I'm back. We're gonna be checking in on WOMIER again. We haven't heard from him in a while. We've done one WOMIER video in the past. On the wall here, we have comic book cell shaded keyboard. Do you guys remember that? They're pretty cool. I really like that design over there. It was super cheap. There's this big argument between Hall Effect versus TMR, and I don't really know which one's better. So I'm just gonna go based on vibes alone, and we're gonna decide if TMR is worth pursuing more or if we're more of a Hall Effect type of individual. Let's get it open. I'm impressed to see what WOMIER can do with a more expensive keyboard, because the last one that we reviewed from them was $60. And it wasn't necessarily top of the line, but it definitely got the job done, and it looks super cute. And the accessories, we have the dongle, sick. Okay, we have Type A to Type C cable. Let's see if it's long. Oh yeah, that's long enough. That'll do. We have some extra switches. We got 4 of them. So these are Otemu T magnetic switches, and they're brown like tea. Okay, so it's $129.99. Pretty competitive price, I'd say. I thought it was gonna be $150 to $200, so that's a pretty decent price. Go check them out. I'll read the stats off for you real quick. It's an ANSI 75% layout. It only comes in one color option, just black. It's got downloadable software, hot swappable switches, cross compatible with both magnetic and mechanical switches. You can mix and match. 8,000 mAh battery, 8,000 hertz polling rate, accuracy 0.01 millimeters, latency 0.125 millisecond. It's got TMR magnetic sensors with 0 dead zone and 0.125 millisecond ultra low latency. It supports a variety of magnetic switch functions, including rapid trigger and snap key, and that is everything. Is there anything left in here? We got some more stuff in the accessory box. Keycap switch puller. And we have some extra keycaps, a bunch of different ones actually. I guess there's only one thing left. My God, this thing is way heavier than normal. Hold on, user manual. Can't forget about that. This thing is kind of heavier than a normal aluminum keyboard already. I am suspicious. This is like a Keychron. This is as heavy as a key. This might be heavier than a Keychron. Why is this so heavy? It's just black. It's got glitter all around the body. What's 2,000 grams in freedom units? I don't know. Editor put that on the screen, but that's heavy. This is like half a newborn baby. Anyways, we have a Type C port in the back. No mode switch anywhere on the body here. Not sure where. Maybe just button combination. Wow! Look at the mirror. It's like pink. Hey, pink. Can you see my eyes? Hello. How are you? Look at that. Wow. It just captured my soul. That's so cool. Wow. I love that. It looks like an oil sheen. Wow. Dude, my arm is like sore. Okay, we're gonna switch to this side. Wow. Okay, let's do a quick sound test and we'll switch out the keycaps and it'll look way cooler. That's very quiet. Cool. Let's replace keycap. Wow. That's nice. All right, now we're just gonna test this thing out, see this 8K polling rate, see this latency, see if it's really good. I like a nice basic black, simple, heavy, thocky keyboard, you know? It's nice and small. Full size is not really it for gaming. I like a nice skinny keyboard. This is a lethal weapon. You could do some serious damage with this thing. I really like this extra detail they did with the keycaps. That's super cute. And then this. All the keyboard companies are flexing on each other with these back plates. I don't know what's up with it, but I'm all for it. I love that. This is my favorite part. All right, let's get into game. Oh, see you on Battlefield. Let's go do this. Yes. Do we only have one healer? And it's Cloak and Dagger. I'm gonna get a little sneaky peeky.
That's a big turret, Frank. Trying to make up for something? Sorry, Bunny, but your turret license has expired.
Anyone willing to help? The closing mission area is yours to capture now.
Come on, cook. Yes! Ah! We're fine.
kid.
Double KO!
Freaking wrecked.
The mission area is yours!
Ooh, that thing looks dangerous, Frank.
Guess that turret can't fire if it's molten metal. Ooh, that felt nice. They're ahead of us.
Anyone willing to help? Shields up!
I guess a turret is Punish's final form.
Everybody needs a hand sometimes.
Bro, there's no way, dude. Come on. Come on, bro. Oh, they going this way now?
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Ooh, that felt nice.
Still got an edge.
Oh my god, I suck. Ooh, wait a minute.
Your powers are mine! Supernova!
The area's almost yours!
Why is this Venom dying? Bro, I was running for my life. Show me. Show me.
Revenge is sort of... Back to
Nah.
the
You'll have to
ashes.
keep
That's
fighting
cringe.
until we have a winner.
Oh! Yes! Yo, this thing with Human Torch plus WOMIER. You know what I mean? Target acquired.
Judge, jury, executioner.
He altered for no reason. That's hilarious.
Oh, Turtle Help, please.
I'm doing this my way. I am.
You think I'm peeking you during your ult? You're funny.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. Capture the mission area!
Oh, I'm dead. GG.
Storm Zips unite!
Yeah, GG.
You know those are tougher than this.
GG. Where's the health?
Tastes like chicken. Oh, no more tricks, huh?
They're right behind you.
Ooh, that felt nice.
Get wrecked, Groot.
Did here.
Don't step on lava.
A little help, please.
Look at your bullets, Frank.
The moon haunts you.
Oh, this was a horrible time to have done that fire punch thing. Not a good, not a good call, bro. Come on, dude.
Shields up! Pick up your toys, Moon Knight. Everybody needs a hand.
Supernova!
Double KO!
All right.
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Come on, boys.
They look like they mean business.
Shoot these unks whenever you find them.
Can't snuff me out.
What am I? Invisible?
Your powers are mine!
Glory's almost
Judge, jury, executioner.
Yeah, what's up, Moon Knight? Oh, you want to talk all that smack earlier, huh?
Can't snuff me out.
No worries. I got your back.
Get wrecked. dare challenge me? Did I get MVP? Come on, dude. MVP, let's go, bro. Every time I play Human Torch, bro, I get MVP. Let's go, dude. Let's get it. Without fail, bro. I don't understand it. Only because I got MVP, that's why everyone's getting likes. Otherwise, I wouldn't have done it. Anyways, WOMIER SK75 HE TMR keyboard. I loved it. Feels just as good, if not better, than a Hall Effect keyboard. The latency was really nice. I just love the way it feels. I love the way it looks. I like the RGB. I like these cute little colored keycaps. You did a good job, WOMIER. Keep it up. Definitely check it out. I'll leave a link for it in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.